Whether you are a seasoned engineer or a site technician, getting cable tray installation right is critical for system longevity. Read on to explore frequently asked questions, international industry standards, and a detailed walkthrough of the essential inspection points for your next project. What is a cable tray? A cable tray is a support system used to carry and organize electrical cables safely in industrial and commercial installations. Why are cable trays preferred over conduits? Cable trays are preferred because they allow easy installation, better heat dissipation, simple maintenance, and future cable additions. What are the common types of cable trays? The most common types are ladder type, perforated type, solid bottom tray, and wire mesh tray. Each is selected based on application and load requirement. What material is used for cable trays? Cable trays are typically made of galvanized steel, stainless steel, or aluminum depending on environmental conditions like corrosion and temperature. What is the purpose of earthing in cable trays? Earthing ensures safety by providing a path for fault current, preventing electric shock and equipment damage. What is the standard spacing for cable tray supports? Support spacing usually ranges from 1.5 to 3 meters, depending on tray type, load, and project specifications. Why are expansion joints required in cable trays? Expansion joints accommodate thermal expansion and contraction, preventing stress and damage to the tray system. What is the minimum clearance between cable trays and other services? Clearance depends on project standards, but generally adequate spacing is maintained from heat sources and other electrical systems to avoid interference and overheating. Which standard provides guidelines for electrical installations, including cable tray usage and grounding? NFPA 70. Which international standard covers the design, testing, and performance of cable tray systems? IEEE 61537. Which standard specifies construction and performance requirements for metal cable trays? NEMA VE 1. What is the European equivalent standard for cable tray and cable management systems? BSEN 61537. Which standard provides recommended practices for grounding and bonding in electrical systems? IEEE 1100. What are the essential steps for a comprehensive cable tray installation checklist? Step 1. Material check. First, verify that all materials match the approved drawings and specifications. Step 2. Damage inspection. Ensure that the cable trays are free from any mechanical damage before installation. Step 3. Support system. Confirm that proper supports are installed and aligned securely. Step 4. Routing and size. Check that the cable tray routing and sizing follow the layout drawings accurately. Step 5. Protective measures. Make sure protective elements like kick plates are installed correctly where required. Step 6. Expansion joints. Verify that expansion joints are installed as per the layout drawings. Step 7. Fasteners check. Ensure all bolts, washers, and nuts are tightly fixed. There should be no missing or loose components. Step 8. Clearance check. Maintain proper clearance from heat sources and other electrical equipment. Step 9. Repair and finishing. Inspect areas where cutting or fabrication has been done and ensure proper finishing. Step 10. Paint touch-up. Check that all touch-up painting is completed neatly. Step 11. Safety edges. Ensure there are no sharp edges that could damage cables or cause injury. Step 12. Earthing. Verify proper earthing installation and secure termination. Step 13. Insulation. Confirm insulation is provided between different materials if required. Step 14. Fire protection. Ensure fireproofing materials are installed correctly wherever necessary. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. IIQA